Sleep is a fundamental part of our lives, and the quality of our sleep can significantly impact our overall well-being. In this article, we will discuss sleep hygiene, which refers to the practices and habits that can help you achieve a better night's sleep. Quality sleep is essential for maintaining good physical and mental health. It can improve your mood, boost your cognitive functions, and support your overall productivity. Poor sleep, on the other hand, can lead to a range of health issues, including fatigue, mood swings, and a weakened immune system. We will explore various aspects of sleep hygiene, including creating a sleep-conducive environment, developing a consistent sleep schedule, and avoiding factors that can disrupt your sleep. By incorporating these tips into your routine, you can enhance the quality of your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Let's delve into the world of sleep hygiene and how it can positively impact your life.